Hello everybody, my name is Mihai, and in this video I'm gonna make a short review of one of my GitHub projects, Master Login System, which is a really advanced login system built upon Bootstrap to give it a really professional look and with lots of features built in. If you don't know what Bootstrap is, just Google it. It's a really powerful front-end framework for web development. Chances are you're gonna love it, so give it a shot. Okay, coming back to Master Login System, let's go ahead and install this and see how it feels and how it acts. Okay, so in the README file we have a few instructions on how to install the script. The first step is to upload the files on our server, so I already did that over here. Then we need to run the install.php file, so let's do that. We run it and we see here a small form. I'm gonna stick with the default settings over here and click install. Okay, the installation was successful. We can see we already have a user, admin, and it has the password 1234. So let's start exploring. We can see we need to make an additional step to the install process. We need to delete the install.php file, so let's do that. Okay, now let's refresh the page and see the app is already up and running. Okay, so just in a few seconds we are already set to go and start building our app. Let's go ahead and register a new user. Okay. Okay. The password, captcha, and we click the register button. Okay, the registration went successfully. And this is basically the user view. I'm gonna go ahead and log out of this account and see the admin account, which is where the fun is. Okay, so the password 1234 as you remember. Okay, so this is the main page. It just has a welcome message for now. You'll obviously need to fill it with your own content. The next link over here is the user list, which contains a list of all the users. Of course, it has pagination, a search option, a sort option. Okay, sort by ID or by name. Then we have a contact form, which will send an email to the admin of the site. A short drop down list over here with a link to fork it on GitHub. Admin panel, which has two options over here: the general settings, which you can tweak over here, the admin email, the URL of the site, the name of the site. Okay, and the register, email validation, and if you want or captcha or not. Okay, these are the default settings. You can obviously add more on it. A nice thing on this script is that if you need to add more settings, you don't actually need to go and edit this page. I mean, just to tweak it. All you need to do is go to your database and go to settings table, and let's say you want to add a new field over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. New, let's call it that way. If I go ahead and save it, you normally need to go on the script and edit this page to show you some sort of menu over here to edit it. But in this script, all you have to do is add that field in your database, and it will automatically show over here with the default value, and obviously you can tweak it and save it. Of course, where you will have to use this value of the site, you need to edit that specific page. But in the admin panel you won't have to edit anything at all. All you have to do is just go to your database and add a new field. It will automatically show up here. Next we have the group management. This is just so you can have special permissions and special features for a certain group. You can see the member has a certain color, and it has some extra options. To note that it also has the same feature as the general settings. If you go to where is the groups table and you add a new column over here, okay, let's say can something, okay, can something. Okay, if you go here to the group management, you will also see these new options over here. Okay, so you don't actually need to edit the admin panel that much. Of course you'll have to use that in the other pages, but in the admin panel things are very easy, things are already built in, and it will actually save you lots of a lot of time of development, this simple thing. Okay, of course you can add your own groups. By default you have a guest, member, moderator and administrator. To add a new group, you just fill this form, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna show up in this list over here, and you can tweak its settings. Next we see here our username, which has a few links. A link to my profile, where you can see my profile, which shows my rank, the last time I was saw on this site, and my email. Next we have account settings, where I can edit my display name and my email. Obviously you need to add more features of your own. An option to change our password over here, and obviously you can go back to edit our settings. We have our privacy settings, which we can set some details on our profile to be private or public. As an admin you can view all the private details on the profile, but as a normal user, if for example the email is private, when you go to my profile this will be hidden. But because I'm the admin account, as I already said, I can view it even if it's private. Next here we have some actions. Let me just show it to the user so you can see all the actions. Okay, you can ban a user, you can hide his avatar, okay, which will replace his avatar with this image. You can edit his profile, his username, his password, his group, okay, his display name and his email address. To ban him, you're gonna go on the ban page, you're gonna select a period and obviously a reason, then click the submit button. You can also delete a user if you would like to. So this is pretty much it for now. On the code part, I'm gonna let you guys explore it and review it if you like. You can find the code on GitHub, where you can fork it, you can start it, you can watch it if you like to. I hope you guys gonna use the script, and I'll wait for your feedback on it, if you like it, if you don't like it, I don't know, anything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and all the best. Bye bye.